Hello children, welcome to Sasufan Easy Learning. Today we are going to learn about winter season flowers name. So let's start the class. Calendula, Petunia, Pansy, Alyssum, Antirrhinum, Aster, Carnation, Dahlia, Daffodils, Buttercup, Hyacinth, Fuchsia, Verbena, Cineraria, Cornflower, Winter Jasmine, Lantana, Panson Flower, Sweet Pea, Phlox, Zinnia, Cosmos, Nasturtium. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for notification. Thank you. See you in next class. Bye bye.